For anyone responsible for multiple vehicles, manually checking their locations can quickly become inefficient. This wired GPS tracker stays powered by the vehicle itself, making it suitable for long-term monitoring without worrying about battery life. Users can choose update intervals of 5, 30, or 60 seconds, depending on how much detail they need. And the companion app supports Android, iOS, and web access. Add anti-theft alerts and route history, and it becomes a practical tool for improving both security and daily operations. A pickup truck tailgate can drop faster and harder than expected, making loading and unloading less comfortable and increasing the risk of accidental damage. This tailgate assist system adds a controlled hydraulic motion that slows the descent automatically, eliminating the familiar slam. Built with upgraded 1045 steel brackets using both welded and riveted construction, it's designed for long-term durability. Installation is completely bolt-on, with the included tools, making it a practical upgrade for 2015 through 2026 Ford F-150 owners. Heavy tailgates can be awkward to manage, especially when one hand is occupied with tools or cargo. This assist kit introduces a controlled soft open mechanism that prevents the tailgate from dropping freely, reducing impact and unwanted noise. Built with upgraded 1045 steel mounting hardware, it's engineered to withstand repeated daily use while maintaining smooth operation. Installation requires no drilling and uses the truck's existing mounting points, making it a straightforward upgrade for compatible F-150 owners. Working under the hood at night usually means juggling a flashlight while trying to fix the problem at the same time. This universal 12-volt LED hood light kit eliminates that hassle by illuminating the entire engine bay whenever the hood is opened. Dual LED strips spread light across both sides of the compartment, while automatic and manual control options let you choose how it operates. For roadside repairs, maintenance, or camping trips, it's a simple upgrade that makes every inspection easier. Whether you're hauling equipment to a job site or loading gear for a road trip, loose cargo can quickly become a safety concern. This 4-pack tie-down set combines durable polyester webbing with stainless steel ratchet mechanisms to create dependable tension without complicated setup. The coated S-hooks resist weather exposure, while the included soft loops expand your mounting options without scratching valuable equipment. It's a versatile kit that fits easily in a truck, trailer, or SUV, ready whenever the next load needs securing. Slide-out cargo tray. Digging through the front of a truck bed can be frustrating, especially when heavy gear is buried behind everything else. This slide-out cargo tray solves that problem by bringing your equipment to you with a smooth pull-out design. Measuring 24 inches wide and over 62 inches long, it provides organized storage while maintaining a slim 4-inch profile that fits beneath most tonneau covers. Built from ultraviolet-resistant high-density polyethylene, it's a practical upgrade for contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values quick access to their gear. Getting stuck in sand or deep mud can quickly turn an off-road adventure into hours of frustration. X-Bull's third-generation recovery traction tracks are designed to give your tires the grip they need to climb back onto solid ground. Made from fiber-reinforced engineering-grade nylon, the boards support loads up to 10 tons while remaining lightweight enough to carry. Their aggressive cross-shaped teeth and ramped entry design help reduce wheel spin, making them a valuable companion for overlanders, campers, and four-wheel drive enthusiasts. Professional detailing isn't just about making paint shine. It's about cleaning every surface without causing damage. This 26-piece kit includes soft detailing brushes for delicate interiors, dedicated wheel and tire brushes for stubborn grime, plus stainless steel, brass, and nylon wire brushes for different materials. The variety allows users to match the right brush to each surface instead of relying on one tool for everything. For car enthusiasts, it's a practical way to achieve more consistent cleaning results. A small exterior upgrade can make daily driving noticeably more comfortable. These rain guards are engineered using vehicle-specific molding to closely match the contours of the Ford Ranger Super Crew, creating a factory-inspired appearance without permanent modifications. The thicker acrylic construction helps reduce wind turbulence, while allowing fresh air into the cabin during light rain or snow. Installation requires no drilling, making it an easy weekend project with practical benefits you'll notice every drive. If you've ever struggled to reach the roof of a truck or SUV while loading cargo, you know how awkward and unsafe balancing on a tire can be. The power-built tire step provides a much more stable solution by hooking directly onto the tire. It adjusts to fit tires up to 13 inches wide, supports up to 300 pounds, and features a steel traction surface that stays grippy even when it's wet or muddy. It's especially useful for contractors, campers, and anyone regularly accessing roof racks or truck beds. Best of all, it folds flat, so it's always easy to keep within reach. Anyone who regularly loads equipment into a pickup knows that repeated climbing can become tiring over time. These rear bumper steps create an easier path into the truck bed, while maintaining a clean factory-style appearance. Their bolt-on design means installation is straightforward, and the carbon steel frame offers the strength needed for everyday use. Because the steps sit close to the bumper, they're less likely to interfere with normal driving, making them a thoughtful accessory for work trucks and personal pickups alike. Most truck toolboxes block your rearview mirror or devour precious cargo floor space when you need to haul large loads. The innovative undercover swing case avoids this entirely by pivoting out of the way on a heavy-duty hinge. Engineered for 2019 to 2025 Silverado and Sierra models, this compact box handles a 75-pound payload while keeping a slim profile. With its key-lockable lid and specialized organizational tray, your smaller hardware stays sorted and safe from the elements. Outdoor enthusiasts carrying recovery gear will find this highly convenient. It proves that smart organization doesn't have to get in the way of hard work. At first glance, a truck-mounted crane just looks like a regular truck, with a crane attached, but in reality, it is a surprisingly powerful two-in-one machine that can travel like a normal truck and then instantly transform into a heavy lifting system. It typically handles loads from 2 to over 100 tons, with a boom length ranging from about 20 to 60 meters. What is most impressive is its reach and flexibility. The hydraulic boom can rotate 360 degrees, extend deep into tight or hard-to-reach spaces, and precisely lift heavy structures like steel beams, containers, or industrial machines. Stabilized by hydraulic outriggers, it remains steady, even under extreme loads on uneven ground. One vehicle alone can both transport and lift, turning heavy-duty construction and logistics tasks into something unexpectedly fast, precise, and highly efficient. Open the truck bed, unfold the tent, and instantly you have a mobile camping base. The pickup truck tent turns your pickup into a safe, elevated, and airy sleeping space in just minutes. No more struggling with uneven ground or worrying about bugs. Every trip, from a relaxing weekend to an off-road adventure, becomes effortless and full of excitement. Built with a durable aluminum alloy frame and water-resistant polyester fabric, it weighs only around 150 to 200 kilograms, while comfortably accommodating 2 to 4 people. With an interior height of about 1.2 meters, you can stand and move freely. Features like mesh windows, storage pockets, and a 360-degree roof provide maximum convenience. The tent folds neatly and sets up quickly, always ready for spontaneous trips. Imagine stepping inside, laying out a thick, comfy mattress, sunlight streaming through mesh windows in the roof, and a gentle breeze flowing through. This space is safe, comfortable, and perfect for relaxing or sleeping. The pickup truck tent is not just a tent, it is a vibrant adventure, turning every journey into an exciting, convenient experience. Foldable side guards are foldable side protection panels installed on modern trucks and container vehicles. Their main function is to protect motorcyclists, cyclists, and pedestrians from being pulled under the vehicle during a side collision, one of the most dangerous types of urban accidents. These structures are typically made from high-strength steel or aluminum alloys and designed in a modular form, allowing them to be folded up or down. This makes maintenance, loading and unloading, and movement in tight spaces much easier. Many models meet strict European safety standards, can withstand significant impact forces, and are resistant to harsh weather conditions. What is truly surprising is this: vehicles that look heavy and purely utilitarian are actually equipped with such a sophisticated safety system, like a smart protective shield hiding in plain sight, making every journey far more advanced and safer than most people would ever expect. The Bedrug Classic Bedliner transforms your truck bed into a fortress of protection. Unlike hard plastic liners, the Bedrug features a soft, carpet-like surface that is incredibly durable, combined with 3/4-inch foam padding, a slip-resistant fiber layer, and a non-slip underlayer, keeping cargo secure, reducing vibrations, and providing comfortable, noise-reducing support while working in the bed. Made from 100% premium polypropylene, the Bedrug Classic withstands all weather conditions, waterproof, UV-resistant, mold-resistant, and chemical-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its vehicle-specific fit allows for quick installation without modifications, while keeping all factory tie-downs and accessories fully functional. With the Bedrug Classic, your truck bed is not only fully protected, but also becomes organized, safe, and highly professional. Optimized dimensions, anti-slip surface, and easy cleaning make every trip, from daily work to weekend adventures, safer, more convenient, and incredibly comfortable. Volvo Dynamic Steering and Safety Truck Systems. What would happen if a massive truck suddenly felt as light as air when you are behind the wheel? Hard to believe, right? But Volvo has turned that idea into reality. Heavy cargo journeys are no longer the exhausting, hard-to-control experience they used to be. Oh no! They have become something far more refined and surprisingly effortless. Volvo Dynamic Steering is not just ordinary power steering. It is an incredible fusion of electronics and hydraulics working in perfect harmony. At low speeds, the steering wheel feels so light, you can turn it with one hand, while at highway speeds, the truck holds its line almost on its own, reducing vibration and driver fatigue. Even rough, uneven roads feel smoother and more controlled. What a game changer! And that is not all. Volvo safety systems are truly impressive. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, intelligent distance control, and even driver alert monitoring all work together like an invisible guardian on the road. It reacts, protects, and supports in real time. This is no longer just a truck. It is a rolling fortress of safety and smart technology. The Flip-Step Truck. Bedstep is a small addition that makes a big difference for your pickup. With just a light pull or a step, The flip step deploys instantly, giving you extremely quick and safe access to your truck bed. Its smart fold-away design keeps the step tucked neatly against the bumper or bed when not in use, keeping your bed organized without affecting cargo space. Constructed from high-quality steel, aluminum, or alloy with a rust-resistant finish, the flip step supports 135 to 300 kilograms. The anti-slip surface and secure locking mechanism help prevent wobbling or slipping, while its lightweight design of only 10 to 12 kilograms makes installation incredibly easy. The step measures about 40 by 40 centimeters, with overall dimensions around 70 by 45 centimeters, fitting most pickups. Its low-profile design keeps it compact while fully functional. Beyond convenience, FlipStep also enhances safety and efficiency, reducing strain when climbing in and out of the truck bed. Perfect for daily work, off-road adventures, or hauling gear. FlipStep makes your truck bed more accessible, professional, and extremely practical, turning every journey into one that is easier, safer, and far more comfortable. At first glance, an underrun bar looks like nothing more than a simple metal beam beneath the rear of a truck. But behind it lies a carefully engineered safety system. Built from high-strength steel or lightweight aluminum, with substantial dimensions and mounted no higher than about 550 millimeters from the ground, it is designed to absorb impact and prevent smaller vehicles from sliding underneath. From the crossbeam and mounting brackets to its folding mechanisms, every detail serves a single purpose, protecting lives in the most dangerous moments. What is truly surprising is how advanced this device has become. Modern underrun bars can automatically retract using pneumatic or hydraulic systems, with sensors and controls operated directly from the cab. Beyond safety, they can even improve aerodynamics, reducing drag and slightly boosting fuel efficiency. It may seem like a small component, but it acts as a silent shield, quietly redefining road safety standards around the world. When you want everything in your truck bed within easy reach, the slide-out truck bed organizer tray will truly impress. With just a light pull, the entire tray slides out, letting you access your gear extremely quickly. No climbing into the bed needed. It is incredibly easy. From tools to equipment, everything stays organized and ready for any situation. Built from steel, aluminum, or composite, with a rust-resistant coating, this tray supports 225 to 450 kilograms, handling even the toughest loads. The heavy-duty rails or ball-bearing slides ensure smooth operation with an extension of up to 70 to 100% of the tray length for maximum accessibility. With dimensions of 120 to 180 centimeters long, 100 to 150 centimeters wide, and 10 to 30 centimeters high, it fits most pickup trucks. Featuring safety locks, anti-slip liners, and dividers, this system delivers an extremely convenient, secure, and professional storage experience for every journey. In modern transportation, the extendable trailer length system is a mechanism that allows a trailer to extend or retract its body length using a sliding frame or hydraulic structure. This makes it capable of adapting to various oversized cargo such as steel beams, industrial pipes, or wind turbine blades, instead of being limited to a fixed size. In terms of benefits, this system helps optimize cost and improve operational efficiency, as one trailer can replace multiple specialized units. When retracted, it is easier to maneuver in tight spaces. When extended, its length can exceed 40 meters with a load capacity of around 40 to 80 tons, supported by multiple axles and air brake systems for safety. The extendable trailer reflects a clear advancement in mechanical engineering within logistics, where a single vehicle can dynamically adapt to different transport demands, making the movement of oversized cargo more flexible and efficient. If you want to protect your pickup bed smartly, the tonneau cover is the perfect solution. It keeps everything in your bed dry, clean, and secure, no matter the weather. At the same time, its sleek design helps improve aerodynamics, reduce wind drag, and save fuel, a small detail that makes a big difference on every trip. Made from a variety of materials, including aluminum, steel, ABS plastic, and vinyl. The tonneau cover can support 45 to 113 kilograms and fits beds from 1.5 to 2.4 meters long. With multiple opening styles like roll-up, folding, retractable, or hinged, it offers maximum flexibility. While some models include anti-theft locks for added security, truly useful. The tonneau cover is more than just an accessory. It is a statement of organization, modern style, and safety, making every journey more convenient and professional. The dump body, the tipping truck bed, may look simple at first glance, but it is actually a powerful piece of engineering. It typically has a capacity of 3 to 35 cubic meters, built from high-strength steel like Hardox, with a floor thickness of 6 to 12 millimeters and side walls of 4 to 10 millimeters. Strong enough to carry up to 40 tons of heavy materials such as rock, sand, or soil over many years of harsh operation. Beneath it lies a high-pressure hydraulic system operating at 180 to 280 bar, using a telescopic cylinder capable of generating up to 50 tons of lifting force. In just 10 to 30 seconds, the entire bed can tilt to an angle of 45 to 60 degrees, allowing the load to slide out like a powerful waterfall, almost without human effort. What makes it truly impressive is its endurance. It can operate in extreme conditions, from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, completing dozens of lift and dump cycles per day. The dump body is not just a truck component, it is a mass-release machine, turning one of the hardest physical tasks into a smooth, controlled mechanical action. If you want to organize your pickup bed extremely efficiently, the pickup truck drawer system is the solution you need. This smart drawer system divides your bed into separate compartments, keeping tools, equipment, and accessories neatly organized and incredibly convenient, saving you time and effort whenever you need them. Built from carbon steel or aluminum, with drawers made of aluminum, heavy-duty plywood, or composite, the system can hold 50 to 100 kilograms per drawer and a total load of up to 150 to 200 kilograms. The ball bearing slides make the drawers smooth and incredibly easy to pull out, while the security lock protects your gear from theft and harsh weather. With overall dimensions of 120 to 180 centimeters long, 100 to 150 centimeters wide, and 25 to 50 centimeters high, the pickup truck drawer system fits most pickup beds. Additional features like compartment dividers, anti-slip liners, and convenient handles turn your truck bed into an extremely safe, convenient drawers and professional storage space for every trip. Self-healing truck tires are a remarkable advancement in the trucking industry, giving tires the ability to heal themselves when damage occurs. Inside the tire is a special layer of materials such as polymers or elastic gels. When a sharp object like a nail punctures the tire, instead of rapidly losing air and forcing the truck to stop, this material immediately flows or expands to seal the hole. As a result, internal air pressure is maintained, allowing the vehicle to keep moving even in an emergency situation. This technology is especially valuable for long-haul trucks, where every minute of downtime means lost time and money. However, it only works for small punctures and cannot replace proper inspection or professional repair. Even so, self-healing tires represent a bold step towards safer, more reliable, and less interrupted journeys on the road. The Riversmith is a compact, easy-to-use fly rod transport system built for anglers who want to keep their gear safe and organized even when space is limited. Measuring just over 5 feet long, it can securely hold fly rods up to 10 feet 4 inches when broken down. This smart design makes both setup and takedown quick, smooth, and completely hassle-free. Available in single or double rod configurations. It keeps your fishing rods protected and ready for action on your next trip. Made from durable aluminum and stainless steel, the system resists rust, wear, and damage from the elements. Its aerodynamic shape minimizes wind drag and noise, a small detail that makes long drives noticeably more comfortable. Designed to fit most crossbars, it can be easily mounted on roof racks, truck cabs, utility terrain vehicles, pop-up campers, and even trailers. A built-in locking system adds extra security, so your gear stays safe even when left unattended. By storing rods in 2 shorter sections instead of 1 full-length tube, it saves space without sacrificing protection. The solid build ensures long-lasting reliability, making it perfect for anglers who fish often in different environments. When you are ready to conquer any terrain, the truck bed universal tire carrier is your pickup's secret weapon. Unbelievable. It features an incredibly universal design that holds spare tires from 30 to 42 inches outside the bed, freeing up space for everything else, from heavy gear to your adventure essentials. Built from durable alloy steel with a powder-coated, rust-resistant finish, this carrier can handle up to 100 kilograms. Nothing shakes it. The handy swivel hinge and anti-theft lock keep your tire secure, making installation and removal fast, easy, and worry-free. Measuring 60 to 100 centimeters in total length, the truck bed universal tire carrier is not just an accessory, it is a statement of strength, rugged style, and readiness for any adventure. Wow! Just looking at it makes you want to hit the road right now. This next creation is a wild fusion of power, luxury, and pure party energy. It all starts with a heavy-duty Ram 2500. But instead of hauling tools or trailers, this stretched-out beast hauls up to 14 people in full-blown style. Step inside, and it feels more like a moving nightclub than a pickup truck. Plush leather seating wraps around the cabin, complemented by a full surround sound system, flat-screen TVs, and not 1, but 3 fully stocked bars, each with its own built-in fridge. Color-changing LED lights wash the interior in vibrant shades, setting the perfect mood from the moment you step in. But the real showstopper sits in the back, an actual working hot tub built right into the truck bed. It's fully plumbed, heated, and ready for a soak once you're parked. It doesn't fit everyone at once, though, so if your crew rolls deep, a few might have to wait their turn. Under the hood, it's still a true Ram 2500, powered by a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 that delivers 410 horsepower. The suspension, frame, and brakes have all been reinforced to handle the extra weight and length, keeping it stable and strong. Even with all that flash, the body's been completely reworked with extended panels and deep tinted windows, giving it that tall, commanding truck stance, but with a sleek, head-turning twist. The builder behind this project says it's the first of its kind, and honestly, that's easy to believe. Whether it ends up in a movie, a party rental fleet, or just parked somewhere as a jaw-dropping showpiece, one thing's for sure: you can't ignore it. Just don't try building one yourself. It takes serious skill, safety expertise, and a lot of precision to pull off something this extreme. No more time-consuming, heavy manual tightening like before. The Quick Lock cargo strap system brings a faster and more modern way to secure cargo on trucks. With just a simple pull and snap lock action, loads are instantly held in place, keeping pallets, boxes, and machinery stable throughout the journey, while greatly reducing shifting and vibration during long-distance transport. This system uses high-strength polyester straps combined with quick lock mechanisms such as ratchet or cam buckles. Depending on the type, working load limits typically range from 500 kilograms to 5,000 kilograms. With braking strength reaching over 10 tons, strap widths usually fall between 25 to 75 millimeters. Thanks to its simple yet effective design, Operation is significantly faster compared to traditional tensioning systems. What stands out most is its blend of speed, convenience, and safety. It reduces loading and unloading time while ensuring cargo remains firmly secured under all driving conditions. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.